In today's video, fat burners and do they help you lose body weight? Hi, I'm Dr. Rohan Fonseca and let's get started. We are often bombarded with advertisements from supplement companies claiming that they have an ultimate pill which can make you lose weight. Let's have an overview and analyze what these fat burners are. Fat burners are mainly of two types. One is a stimulant and the other type is an appetite suppressor. There is also a third type which manipulates carbohydrate absorption. And these are drugs we use in diabetic patients. So unless you are diabetic, you need not bother about it. The role of fat burners having stimulants is basically to help you train harder and improve your circulation and to improve your athletic performance during your training. Therein, by training harder, you burn more calories and thus helps you to lose weight. The appetite suppressor kind of fat burners, one cannot ascertain for sure whether they are effective or not. My personal view is that it could just be a placebo, but one never knows. My main problem with most fat burners is that they are underdosed. And if they are not underdosed, you could have some serious side effects depending on your health and fitness level. Fat burners are also very expensive. Fat burners, according to me, could be helpful in two situations. One is to improve your training performance by just a little bit, and it could be used in really lean individuals who want to get even leaner, to give them that little bit of an extra edge to help them in their goals. It is by no means to be taken by an average person who wants to lose body weight. Do not use it as a crutch to lose body weight. The only way you can lose your body weight is by being in a calorie deficit. Magic pills do not exist. Do not listen to the tall claims of supplement companies. And if you must pop in some pills, please do consult your doctor before that. Do subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already. And I hope that was helpful. And until next time, signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.